How to fix ChromeSetup.exe is not valid Win32 application in Windows 7. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is get the correct installer. For this, you want to open up any web browser and download the 32-bit offline installer from Google's direct link. For this, you can search Chrome Offline Installer 32-bit. Now, you want to go ahead and download this file. Now go ahead and install this. If you still get the error, then you want to right-click the file, choose Properties, then select Compatibility Mode. Now you want to select Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and pick Windows 7, then apply and run it. Now go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts and Chrome Setup will be installed on your Windows 7. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.